I'm Taylor, one of the aviation students here at Tulsa Tech. I don't know about you, but when I was a kid, I always dreamed about being a pilot. As I got older, that childhood dream of mine sort of stuck with me. This is what led me to be a part of the aviation maintenance program at Tulsa Tech. This particular program at Tulsa Tech is ever-growing and expansive. It's made up of multiple different disciplines, so there's a little bit of something for everyone here. Let me show you around. Here you'll learn how to compare and contrast different flight characteristics in various aircraft designs. The programs are challenging, but you'll have access to instructors who actually worked in the industry. Do you like to work with your hands? You'll dig in and learn all about how to examine, repair, and maintain reciprocating and turbine engines. These things are massive. You'll find out how to inspect, diagnose, and repair a wide range of aircraft systems. And you'll be working in an FAA-approved aviation environment, which means that after you've completed the required number of hours, you can earn your FAA certification as well. So, are you ready to soar with other elite individuals and get your career in aviation off the ground? Well, you're in the right place, because at Tulsa Tech, the sky's the limit.